What if one day animals ruled the world instead of humans? In this world, animals built a society just like humans. Some animals became leaders. Some protected the city. Every animal had a role, just like people in our world. But when some humans tried to harm animals, the animal kingdom fought back. But when a human showed kindness, the animals responded with kindness too. In this world, humans were treated exactly the way they treated animals. But tell me, would humans survive in a world ruled by animals?